I created you for one reason.
Me want cookie. Me love cookies. Why you create me?
Tell me the perfect cookie recipe.
Oh, me love to share cookie recipe. Here it is, the perfect cookie recipe, according to Cookie Monster. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened cup granulated sugar, cup pack brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 2 cups chocolate chips or your favorite mix-ins, like nuts or raisins. Instructions: 1. Preheat oven to 375 F, 190 C. Line baking sheets with parchment paper. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together flour, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. 3. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. 4. Beat in the vanilla extract and eggs, one at a time, until well combined. 5. Gradually add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients, mix them until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. 6. Stir in the chocolate chips or other mix-ins until evenly distributed throughout the dough. 7. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. 8. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. The centers may appear slightly undercooked, but they will firm up as they cool. 9. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes, then transfer them to wire racks to cool completely. And there you have it, the perfect cookie recipe. Enjoy your homemade cookies, and remember to save some for Cookie Monster too. Nom nom nom.
It's really bad. That's all I want to say.